Why do I feel like I'm having a stroke over here?
Why do they all look the same?
I didn't even say you could go first.
You know I would never pick that car. Where's the strategy?
Are you done pumping to your own tires yet? Jesus. Same shit, different application. This is mid.
I'd say I would agree.
Mid.
Yeah! Welcome to another episode of Dumb Ships.
Keep it in.
Yep, of Dumb Ships. I'm Quinn.
I'm Ian.
And I'm an avid Porsche fan.
Clearly, with a shirt like that.
This is an original composition. It will be available on our website. It hasn't been created yet, but I'll be selling all of my original compositions there. If anybody cares enough to want to join me in the movement.
I think I'm good on that.
All right. We've got a lot going on today, mostly Porsche stuff, hence the new drip. I'm excited.
I'm excited too. I actually like Porsches, like someone. Quinn, I'm gonna hit you with a comment that we often get. Have you ever driven one?
No, and I refuse to drive one, you know? If you hate something, why are you gonna be like, you know what, I'm gonna go give it a try?
Stubborn old man.
I think they're probably amazing cars at what they do. I just refuse to admit it. That's what it comes down to. I refuse to admit it, and I will die on that hill.
Okay, well, I'm gonna force you to do a dream garage of all Porsches. So.
Let's do it. I'm excited, actually. Build your dream garage for $9. Once you pick one, it's off the table. This is Pork Chop Edition. You get first round pick.
Okay.
You know what I find most confusing? Why do they all look the same? I'm looking at 12 of the same cars.
For the record, the 914 does not look the same as the others.
I know, that's the only one I was thinking about picking.
I'm taking the Carrera GT.
Carrera G. Oh my. The first choice? You know I would never pick that car. Where's the strategy? Where is the strategy? Unless you're thrown off today because I'm wearing my new Porsche garm.
I don't need to explain my strategy to you, Quinn.
And there is none.
That actually might hurt my strategy if I explain it to you.
There is no strategy. I would have never picked that car ever. And I feel like now you left out cars out there that I'm going to pick that you could have had.
We'll see about that.
All right, first one I'm going to pick is the LS swapped 944.
That's not on here.
Oh. Well, it will be LS swap. I'm still keeping the 944.
Okay, go ahead. Where's the strategy? I never would have taken that.
There is no strategy. Have I ever had a strategy?
I don't think so.
No.
Up next, I'm going to take the 959. I bet Quinn doesn't even know what that is.
Yeah, you got to give me like 3 seconds. I got to scan the entire game board and then pick.
That's why I don't need strategy on this round, Quinn. You have no idea what you're looking at.
Why are there so many nines? Nine means, doesn't that mean no in German? They're trying to tell you something. Like, just don't pick it. No. This is actually a little bit difficult for me. I'm going to go with the Porsche 911 G2 993. Is it hard to digest when I say it like that?
Well, you forgot a letter. You said G2, didn't you? So the GT2?
G2. It's combined. It was like a... Yeah.
Wait, which one you're doing, the 993?
I'm doing the 991 G2 993.
I'm trying to find it. What?
991 GT2 993.
You said 991. No, it's 911.
Oh, 911.
Oh my goodness.
GT2 993.
All right. Now that Quinn, I've been able to translate that, I'm taking the 997.1 GT3 RS.
Bro, this hillbilly can't even read. You expect me to digest what I'm looking at here?
Well, I don't understand how you're actively like reading the wrong thing while looking at it and it's not clicking that you're saying completely different stuff.
I'm just overwhelmed by Porsche lore and I just got my tongue twisted. I'm going to take the 911 GT3 RS 4.0 997 2/10.
Cool. Nice. Very good job, Quinn.
How'd I do on that one?
Great.
I'm getting better.
You're getting there. Yep.
Was that it?
For me. Was it not it for you?
I don't know. I got to go back to the board.
Do a little math.
I only spent $7, man.
Okay, you did this one.
Uh-huh.
You did this one.
Yeah.
Four.
And then the silver one. That's $7.
And then this one.
Yeah. What did you buy?
I did the 959, the Carrera GT, and the GT3 RS.
You did a 4, 3,
997.
and a 2. So I got $2 to spend is what you're telling me.
Yeah. And why are you picking the GT4 RS?
I guess it probably will be. I can't tell the difference between the other two.
The 911s versus a Cayman. What do you mean? Mid-engine versus rear engine.
Mid-engine versus rear engine. Which one's which?
Are you serious?
I don't know which one's which.
The 911 is rear.
Okay.
The GT3 RS is mid.
Mid. I'd say I would agree.
Mid-engine.
Yeah! He said it. Clip it. Put it on the main page.
The worst thing about it is Quinn wasn't even like trying to set me up like that. It just worked out that way.
That was the most proud moment of the entire episode. Please clip that. That needs to be the main profile picture. Can we just put a GIF?
Just choose already.
Give me the mid GT4.
Hey, good choice, but also shove it, buddy. Spend $9 to build your dream garage. Pimp My Ride edition. Quinn, I will let you go first.
Layla's Plymouth Grand Voyager Espresso, because shout out to Varish. If you know, you know.
Oh, that one was a mouthful.
It was. It was.
You can have that thing.
I'll take it. Gladly. I think it's actually in a museum right now. He donated it, I think, to some museum in California.
I'm gonna take the 240 because let's be honest, it is the only car that kind of looks normal being modified like this.
I wish we knew the features they had. Like, hey, heard you like BMWs, so we put a BMW inside of your BMW.
Don't say that, Quinn. Then they know we don't really actually research these all that much.
Let's see. I'm gonna take Specials Mercedes-Benz 300 SD.
Oh. Actually, kind of upset that you chose that one. But with that in mind, I'm gonna take the Ford Mustang GT.
You like that chrome front end, huh?
No, I just think it's the fastest car on the list here.
I'm gonna go with the Roof Scoop Bug.
The Roof Scoop Bug.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I can only get the van at this point, so I guess I'm taking the Dodge Caravan.
There you go. It ain't bad. I almost picked it. But I'm talking with the CRX. Give me the chromed out CRX.
That's your style for sure.
When do you get to see a $4 option picked in the last round?
When it looks that good, Quinn.
Only on the Pimp My Ride edition.
Yeah, enjoy. Spend $9 to build your dream garage.
Audi edition.
Are we competing for the intro now?
It just felt right. All right. I'm going to let you do the honors.
Ooh, I get to go first?
Yep.
I get to go first? Oh, there's a lot of good options on here. I'm taking the 94 IMSA GTO, please.
Okay. Give me the RS6 Avant.
Ooh, I'm actually pretty upset with your choice there.
As in you wanted it? Or
yeah, like that's the RS6s are incredible.
Yeah, it was goated. I threw that one up there just to catch your eye, and then I knew exactly the one to get.
What?
I don't know. Trying to act like I got strategy.
Yeah, you got something. This is tough. I'm between the Sport Quattro and grabbing an R8.
Nobody wants a Sport Quattro.
Okay, so I know the Sport Quattro is not at risk of being taken up by Quinn, or he wants me to think that.
Again, there's no strategy. There's none.
You know, at this point, I'm just looking for manual transmissions. I'm gonna lock in the Sport Quattro.
Wow, you're going out quickly in this one.
I'm going, yeah.
I'm gonna go with the R8 Performance.
Really?
Type 4S, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I want the...
I don't blame you. You like automatics.
The newer gen.
Yeah, you like automatics. Scoot over my way here.
You pushing me out of the frame again?
Yeah.
You're upset about my shirt?
Yeah, are you gonna reply to the you like automatics part, or?
I was trying to process a witty comeback, but nothing was coming.
But you're not witty?
Exactly. That is exactly the issue.
I will take the Audi TTRS with my last dollar. And I'm out of the race now, so Quinn, it's all up to you.
Okay, I got $3 to spend. Give me the RS7.
Valid choice.
And the S5 Sportback.
Another valid choice. You did well, Quinn.
Yeah.
Not as well as me, but pretty well.
I almost grabbed the e-tron, but I didn't. I gotta do the Porsche paint with one on my shirt. Porsche paint draft. Once you pick a color, it's off the table.
They see it, Quinn. Don't worry.
I just got my new Porsche shirt. Oh, what does it say? You were asking?
I'm waiting to draft.
It says no torque, actually, at the top. Underperforming since 1931. 0 to 60 eventually. It says that one down there. Not sure if you can see it. He's trying to keep me out of frame today. He doesn't want me showing it off. And then, of course, we have the iconic prancing horse logo. It's a turtle farting. It says slow. All right, and for that reason, I'm picking oak green
I
metallic.
didn't even say you could go first.
I just took, because I'm the true Porsche fan. This is how it goes.
No, when you're wearing that shirt, you get to go second. I'm taking viola metallic, so it doesn't really matter. But it's the principle.
All right, oak green metallic for me then. And since I'm the true Porsche fan and I only pick true Porsche fan colors, your turn next.
I'm gonna grab up. Ooh, actually, there's a lot of good options on here. I'm gonna take Ruby Stone next.
Oh my gosh. What's with you German guys and your ruby colors?
You don't like Ruby Stone?
I don't like ruby stone. I don't like ruby fire star.
I wouldn't do Ruby Stone on a newer one like
Oh.
we have on the image here. I would go on an older one.
Ruby stone, ruby star.
So what are you taking next?
Turtle fart, bro. Give me turtle fart blue.
I don't know if that's Mexico blue,
Or
maritime blue.
Actually, neither. I take that back. Give
No,
me...
no. You're locked into the blues. Which one was it?
They suck. Smurf blue or Smurf aqua? Maritime blue.
Okay. Irish green for me.
That's a good choice.
Yeah, I know you were gonna pick that if you went away from blues. That's why I
It's
kept you on there.
exactly. Once
Yeah.
I saw that was there, I was like, man, I made a mistake. All right, fine. Give me speed yellow.
Go ahead, Mr. Taxi Cab. Guards red for me, please. Thank you.
Played out, bro. Played out. Guards red.
You're gonna tell me that there's a better option on this list right now than that?
Man, just guards red. Give me Viper green.
Okay, take it.
Go ahead, grab Grand Prix white. I know you want it.
Slate gray.
Oh, come on. Signal yellow.
Thank you for not forcing me into a yellow. Grand Prix white.
Mexico blue. I'll take it. I
Enjoy
got it
it.
anyways. That was the strategy the whole time. Make you
Enjoy it.
think I didn't want it. So you picked white.
I'll take white over Mexico blue.
Yeah.
Draft your favorite Porsche wheels. Quinn, I will let you go first.
Wheel. Give me the turbo twist, bro.
That's a good option. Are those directional?
They are directional.
There's a wheel that I really wish was. I'll survive, I guess. I'll survive.
What wheel is it? You could shout it out here. Like you could trade a draft pick. You could let me go 2 in a row, and I'd let you.
No. We'll operate within the confines of this one. I'm gonna go with the GT3 center lock up next.
Sick.
It is beautiful wheel.
That actually is. I'm gonna go with the 992 TJ3 center lock.
What?
The 992 TG3.
Are you messing with me?
992 GT3 center lock.
Why do I feel like I'm having a stroke over here?
That's how I feel trying to read these.
My goodness.
All right.
I'm gonna lock into the Fuchs up next. Classic pork chop wheel.
Those things are so garbage, bro.
Meanwhile, Quinn's like, oh, my Kragers, I need them on every muscle car. They look so good.
Center line.
Same shit. Different
Technically-
application.
Technically super tricks, but that's fine. I'm gonna go with the Mission E-Cross Turismo Aero.
Those are disgusting. What
Oh my, you're the one that just got the
Who
Fuchs.
the hell would ever choose
The
that?
Fuchs make me want to pukes. I got the goated wheels.
That was good. I'll give you that. Enjoy it. I'm gonna take the Cup 2s next.
I'm gonna go with the Cup 1s.
Really?
Yeah.
You got the worst
Cup
ones.
2s are so bad compared to the Cup 1s. Everybody knows that. Bro, true Porsche fans would know.
Yeah. I'll take the RS Spider wheels next.
Hold on, I gotta get a closer look at which one to pick. I'm gonna go with the 911 R Forged.
All right. Why'd you sound like a pirate on that?
I just read it.
The Arverged, matey. Honestly, this is kind of crazy that we haven't snatched it up yet. I'm going with the Magnesium GT4 RS wheel.
Yeah, so they light on fire.
Yeah, exactly. In case I get stranded, I could take the wheel off my car and
Start a bonfire.
use it as flint.
There we go. All right, fair enough. I'm gonna take the. I guess I'm gonna take another of the same wheel. GT3 RS Forged center lock.
Yeah, those are damn near the same as the R Forged ones, but it looks like the R Forged has holes in the spokes.
Yeah, the R Forged, bro, is more better.
More better.
It's way more better.
All right, I think that leaves me with just one wheel choice option, which is the Sport Classic, which I will take. Okay, that's going to be it for today while Quinn sits there and really enjoys his handiwork on his shirt. I don't really like where this is going. I feel like every week I'm going to show up, he's going to have a new Rage Bait shirt.
Wait until I start getting shirts for you.
And I'm going to be the guy that's going to have to deal with everyone in the comments when they're angry at him.
Yes, all DMs, please send to Sweens. All suggestions, comments, tips, tricks, everything. Sweens inbox, we'll put it right here. please DM him.
Do not.
Let him know. He takes note, takes everything to heart. He used all of that to further more better the podcast. I mean, the car show that's not a car show. Anyways, I know a lot of people are enamored by my artwork. This is, in fact, again, original composition. Dude, I feel like this thing's just blowing you out of the frame. It doesn't even want you in here. Look at this. Look at the badge, bro, the honor, the badge. Oh, man. This shield just protects a Porsche guy. I feel so Porsche guy.
Are you done pumping to your own tires yet? Jesus.
Oh, man. I'm proud of this one. I'm dragging it out. I'm just trying to soak up every second of this episode.
You're just ranting.
Every second. Computer,
ignore him.
DM sweet.
Don't. I already have 100 unread messages.
This was too much fun. Now everybody's gonna know that I've never actually driven a Porsche. I'm not a Porsche fan.
Everyone's already known that you're not a Porsche fan.
Dude, I'm not gonna be able to fake it anymore. The cat is out of the bag. They're on to me. I'm trying to just stay relevant. I'm trying to bask in the glory. He's waiting for this outro to end and I just won't. I refuse.
I'm not even adding anything to this. It just keeps going.
He's already gonna be the first customer. The look on your face right now, you just want this to end. Anyway, thank you for joining us today. This is, believe it or not, this design is available. You can get your own and you can gift it to all Porsche lovers. They will be ecstatic this holiday season. Especially, did I tell you, we left the prancing horse right there. Right there.
Holiday season, Quinn. It's July.
Oh, is that turtle farty? Yeah, it is. It does say also slow. Shout out Porsche. They've been underperforming since 1931. Are you uncomfortable? It's the first episode. I care how I look.